Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, November 11th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. So first of all, today is a bank holiday for the US, Canada, and France. So especially during the New York session, we could have a little bit of a lack of volatility, so definitely be careful of that. But anyways, on the daily, we are getting very close to the 78% Fibonacci retracement from the weekly time frame that I've been talking about. The most ideal thing for me to happen is that it pushes up to that 78%, then goes down and breaks structure. That's what's going to turn me into a bear. Right now, I am very bullish, and it could possibly go up, bounce for the 78%, make a higher low, and just keep on going up. That's why personally, I need to see a break of structure on these higher time frames before I know that I need to start looking for longs in a much bigger way. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I mean, I'm definitely still only looking for longs. Our most recent structure on roughly the 2 hour time frame is right here. If it breaks below there, then fine, we'll start looking for shorts. If it goes up and makes a new high, then I'll move my structure up to here. But like I said, I think it's going to hit that 78% Fibonacci retracement from the daily weekly time frame, so I'm definitely still bullish, definitely still only looking for longs in an uptrend at the end of pullbacks. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.